Hello. Hello, mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. I'd love to welcome you to this awesome stream. Listen, today we're just going to dive straight into it. We ain't doing no presentations, all right? We're just diving straight in, and you're just gonna witness me trying to find a stock to trade. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's find something, right? So I want to change the title. Let's just do it. All right. Now, before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Tim Sykes, who wrote the foreword to the book The Penny Stock Course, and finally Matthew Creator, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks, and you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. Now, I just want to dive straight in today. So let's see if we can find a trade, all right? So I'm using something called the bullish candlestick detector. If you don't know what a bullish candlestick detector, it's basically I'm using the morning star, the hammer, and the bullish engulfing to find a trade. Just give me a second. I'll be coming. All right, we're back. We're back right now. Basically, I'm using the candlestick pattern now. This represents the morning star, so this is the morning star pattern here, and then this morning star represents the support on Aave. So Aave is a crypto that you can buy valued at $210. So now we're going to try and find a stock to trade on S&P 500. So you're just here witnessing, seeing me how I do it. Now I do have I use ratings. Basically, I use ratings on Trading View. Okay. Now the ratings that I'm using on Trading View are on top there. So there's a monthly rating and two daily ratings. Okay. So basically, the moving average rating on the month is a strong buy. Moving average rating on the day is a strong sell. Then the oscillator rating on the day is a strong buy as well. If I combine those ratings as I have mentioned, then I look for a bullish candlestick, meaning I'm looking for price action on the daily and 4-hour chart that has found support and bounced, right? So most of these, as you can see, they are not of support. So I'm looking looking for a hardcore reversal. That's what I'm doing. I'm looking for a hardcore reversal, and as you can see, most of these prices are just crashing. So I'm looking for a hardcore reversal right now. Okay. And so far I haven't found anything. So in the stock market, it's just two. All right, I think we found something. CTAS. Okay, I think we found something here. The only challenge is there's a little bit of volatility, but maybe it could be a good trade. Maybe. Okay, in this one, so as you can see, it has found support here, and the price has gone up. Uh, so I'm not always correct. I'm not always right, but you want to be on the money, right? You want to be on the money. So I think this one is a good trade. I'll put it on the watch list. As you can see, there's a candlestick pattern there, and then it just reverses, right? So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a reversal. Now, I need to mention that it's not easy, but looking for these reversals is very important. Now, ideally, you want the morning star because the morning star is the hardest, it's the strongest signal to buy. Okay. I think later on I'm going to try and upgrade my bullish candlestick. If I could add more bullish candlestick patterns, because right now I only have three. Maybe in the future I will add more. Okay, so something like this. You see this, right? So it's like it's reversed, right, on a bullish candlestick detector. Something like this. See that? So I'll just add this one to the watch list. But ideally, you want to appear like on day, like you want to trade on the day the reversal appears. Ideally. Let's see if we have anything from the short side. Because I believe we're in a bear market. Again, let me offer a disclaimer. I am not trading any of these stocks. So we're just here practicing together. So this is the bearish side of things. I remember once I saw, I think yesterday, I've just forgotten the name. I think it was RAK. Man, I've forgotten the name of that stock. But it had like strong bearish reversal, and it was on an evening star. It was like it was like the perfect. It was like the perfect reversal. God in heaven, I wish I saved that chart. Let me see if I can find it. doubt if I'll find that chart, but let me see if I can find it. What's the name of that stock? I think it was RAK something. I wish I showed it to you, but I found it yesterday. It was amazing. It was like crazy. Yeah, I did it. I did it. Too bad. Oh my God. Use. It's not even here. I don't know if I could remember that ticker symbol. Bad, bad, bad. Okay. What's the name of that ticker symbol? I want to see if I can find it for you, but uh, man, I've just remembered it. I've just forgotten the ticker symbol. But it's perfect short sale. So right now, I would say these two are your closest bets, right? They're not like exact, but they're like your closest bets in terms of like buying. Right. Again, my full disclosure is I'm not trading. I'm not going to trade them. I'm just doing technical analysis for you, just to learn. So again, we're going to look at these two here, these two stocks here, and this crypto here, and why I think these are the best. So again, this is like a bullish engulfing pattern right here, and this has found support, right? So you can see from this candlestick pattern here that there was a strong support and the price has kept going up. We can confirm this on the 4-hour chart as well, where it found another morning star. There were two morning stars, and morning stars, these two morning stars here gave it a very strong support. So I would definitely consider buying this stock, Philip Morris. Another one I would consider if I was trading S&P 500 is this one here. As you can see here, we have a hammer, which is showing significant support here, and you can see the price has not dropped after the hammer on the 4-hour chart. We come to the daily chart. It's a very strong hammer here, and the price has not fallen. So you can see the price coming down, and then it's reversed, right? It keeps going up. I think what I need to do is let me see if I can create a bullish candlestick detector with what? Mm, so as you can see from here, you can see that this is the support here. Then now we come to RA, which is a crypto currency. And if you look at the pattern, it has a morning star right here, okay, which is a very strong one. Morning star here, and then if you go to the 4 hour, you can see the morning star, though it did fail to hold it. You can see it was a gradual, it came from this. There was a little bit of some consolidation after this morning star. It struggled. There was a little bit of consolidation, right? But you can see it's still going up. So we're going to buy it and see how it performs, right? I think we can buy about 1,000. Wait, what are we doing? No, 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 no. So let's see if we can find. So that's it for my screeners. Because what I did is I found Ave and you show me find those two. There was no short sale. I did find one stock short sale. I think that was like last week. Yesterday. We can check on the short side for I think this will be interesting. I don't know about, some of these crypto pairs. I could lie. I really don't know much about them. So Ave was the one that I found. Sadly, I haven't found any bullish, any bearish pattern today. But yesterday I did find some bearish patterns. Um, so I have created something. I'm creating a, let me see what you have. Let's see what we have here. Oh no, what is this? So dirty. Uh, so you can see the support is there. This trade is valued at $1,000. So ideally with crypto, you're not supposed to use too much margin. So I just want to share something with you. Uh, so I'm going to try, like right now my goal is to create a bullish candlestick. Uh, Detect that has all the bullish candlestick patterns. Okay. So I'm going to share something with you. Where is that? Um, there's something I'm going to share with you that talks about candlestick patterns, because maybe it is a little bit confusing. Okay. Okay. So let me share something with you. So the following things that you're seeing on your screen are bullish candlestick patterns. So just study them as much as you can. So we start with the hammer, right? We have inverted hammer, bullish engulf, yes, in line. morning star. So all these are bullish candlestick patterns. Okay, so just take your time, take notes. Uh, just take your time and take notes on these patterns. Okay. So, so as you can see, there are so many bullish candlesticks out there, and that's the point I'm trying to stress to you, because you don't really have to use all of them. You can choose at least three or two to focus on. Like for me personally, I'm only focusing on the morning star and the bullish engulfing and the hammer, right? Like these are the ones that you see me using. Even the evening star from the bearish side of things. updating it. Okay, so let me show you the updated version. I was actually updating the patterns. So this is what you have here now. Okay, so I have updated it now to include the three white soldiers, the Twizzler bottom, the bullish harami, piercing pattern, invented hammer, the Morningstar hammer, and the bullish engulfing are already there. So we have the three white soldiers here. So this is an updated version. Okay. The other one that I had before only had three. So I think with this one I have updated it. So maybe, just maybe we can see if it can detect. Right. So that's better now. So we have a detection here. So we have a three white soldiers detection here. There we go. So this is a very important pattern. Because previously I couldn't detect it. So we have the three white soldiers here, which is awesome. See if we can detect anything on this one. Okay, we also detected something here. It's the three white soldiers. So this is also a very good one to buy. Sadly, we haven't detected anything on Aave. I don't think we've detected anything, at least not to my knowledge. We have, I think we have. Let me just confirm. Because ideally we want to detect it right on the bar, you know. So again, so Aave is not a good trade. Okay, it is a good trade, I guess, but what I'm trying to avoid is volatility, right? That's what I'm trying to avoid. So what was making me guess whether it was good trade, because I thought maybe I had not updated uh, my candlestick detector. So now that I've updated it, I can confidently tell you that these are the ones that you should focus on. So that purple line represents the rising three soldiers. So ideally you want the triangle to appear both on the daily chart and on the 4-hour chart, like that. So that's on the 4-hour chart, the daily chart. So ideally this is what you want. So this is the three rising soldiers. So this is the updated one. I think I'll have to update the bullish side of it. So maybe in the next video. I don't know if I could do it now. Let me see if I can do it now. Hmm. So I think my next my next move will be now to uh, update my my bearish candlestick detector. So this is what we are doing here. These are the so this is the one that we found here. soldiers. So right now I'm trying to update my bearish candlestick detector. So basically you've seen me correct myself live. As you can see, I thought Ave was detected because I guessed that it probably had a bullish candlestick there, but there was no bullish candlestick there. So I was totally wrong on that part. Okay, so now I'm going to upgrade my bearish candlestick pattern. But you can see like it had the three soldiers there. So just give me a second. You know, you can take notes. All right, so now we're going to look at the bearish candlesticks. There we go. So that's the bearish candlestick. Meanwhile, just take notes. Will be coming just now. There we go. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me? Mic check 1 2 1 2. Okay. So now we're going to try and update the bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, let's see what's up here. Even though I have not found a bearish trade, the update has failed. All right, maybe here. Oh no, my bearish candlestick detector. Come on, come on, come on. But meanwhile, you can see these bearish patterns. There's the evening star, which is the one that I use the most, and the bearish engulfing. That's the one I use the most. Also the shooting star. That's the one I use the most. Even though today there wasn't much. We did not find any bearish patterns. Um, okay, that worked. Okay, we have updated the code. Show you. Updating this one was a little bit tough, but I'm going to show you. Success, 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 success should be shown. So let me show you how. Now, look at how beautiful that is. So I've updated my bearish detector. Look at that. We have the dark cloud, we have the twos of bottoms, the three black cross. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Let's take it for a spin. Let's see if we can find any bearish pattern. Though today we did not find any bearish pattern. Let's see if we can take it for a spin from this hillside. Let's see if we can take it for a spin. I think it was this one that I found. Let's see if we can detect anything. Okay, awesome. So we have detected something here. The daily and the 4 hour. Have we detected anything? See if we can witness that. No, we haven't detected. So ideally, the arrow should appear on both the 4 hour and the daily pattern, right? So even though we detected it on the daily, we haven't detected anything on the 4 hour pattern. So, which makes it kind of like invalid. So ideally, I want it to be on the exact bar, right? Like there should not be any bar in between the detection. I want it to appear on the exact bar. No bar, there should be no gaps. The detection, right? So I haven't found anything in crypto, but I'm happy that at least I have managed to update my code. Let's see what we have. But updating the bearish code was a challenge. Also, I think I need to take it. Updating the code was a little bit of a challenge on the bearish side of things. But let's see if we can find anything. Nah, come on. Ah, sorry. There is no bearish candlestick detected right now. I haven't detected any reversal on the bearish side. But the good news is that I've updated my code and we have more bearish candlesticks now. And the good thing was, we discovered these two here. Yeah, we discovered these two. So we added more, though there are some, right? I mean, there's only so much that we can like detect, but at least we were able to find more. Again, there are so many candlestick patterns out there, so the more we can put in the detector, the better. So I'd love to thank you so much, for joining me in this video. Again, I appreciate you joining me in this video. Maybe I'll just end it with our successful detection of the rising three soldiers, which is what we found here. Rising three soldiers on the 4 hour chart and on the daily chart. It was purple, right?